Morning, everyone. Today is Friday, January 7th, and it's the first significant snowfall overnight, early this morning. Today is the feast of Saint Raymond of Penyafort. He was the third superior general of the order of the Dominicans, the order of preachers, OP. He was a contemporary of the founder of the Dominicans, Saint Dominic. And St. Thomas Aquinas as well was a contemporary in the 1200s AD. And Luna's got to take her first potty. It's a little late today because I was burning some stuff last night. Right, Luna? I gotta go potty. You want to put on your sweater? Your Christmas sweater?
No. Take me potty now.
All right. Here we go.
Whoa! Cool, right, Doodle? It's snowy! Go potty! Go potty! Good girl! Good girl! Go potty! You gonna go potty?
Pretty heavy stuff, a little wet. Making it pass so I can go get my hiking boots, which act as snow boots today, I guess. Active camouflage for Luna. Good girl. Good potty, good low squat. Make sure you don't get any snow in your, you know what, your kulu. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, everyone. Where are you going, Luna? Luna, come here. Luna. Luna. Hey. Luna. Trusty little shovel that our owner, Robbie, gave us, the owner of the house, here in mystic Groton, Connecticut. Luna, come here. Hey! And she's gonna start her day off the naughty way, I guess, because her mommy's not here. Was burning some stuff last night, some twigs and leaves and stuff that piled up in the fall. Good girl. Good girl. You like breaking the snow? You're the first steps there, Luna. Good girl. Cool, right? Good girl. Go zoom. Go and run a zoom. Good girl, Looney. How do you like it? You haven't seen snow in a while, huh? You like the snow? Baby Bozone? Good girl! Good girl! Won't get too obsessive compulsive about this right now. Just do a quick job down to the car so I can grab my boots and then do the whole driveway today. Looks like the snowplow knocked over our recycling bin yesterday. It's Thursday. It's normally our trash day and every other week is recycling, but I must have messed up the timing on recycling so they didn't come. You guys even care about this? Probably not. But anyway, what are you doing? Stevie, our Subaru Outback 2020. Steve Owen, Stephen, Saint Stephen the Martyr. Also pray for Stevie Nicks, because that's the name Katie likes for it. Maybe a female, because she's pro-abortion. She credits abortions to her career success, sadly. Then I gotta go get the key. Alright, so that's a wrap. We'll take you in with Luna.
Have a good day, everybody! I love the snow.